Today I'm going to show you 5 really cool life hacks using a drill. To avoid making a mess when drilling a hole into a wall, you can take a sticky post-it note, stick it to the wall just underneath where you're going to drill your hole, and put a fold in it like this. Then go ahead and drill your hole, and let the post-it note take care of the mess. If you're drilling a hole straight above you in the ceiling, you can take a paper plate, poke the drill through the centre of it, like this, and drill your hole. The plate will collect all the dust, so it doesn't go in your eyes and you don't have to clear up any mess. If you want to drill a hole to exactly the right depth, you can take a zip tie and fix it to the drill bit to give you a marker. Pull it nice and tight, then cut off the excess. Drill your hole down to the zip tie, and it'll be exactly the depth you wanted. If you're using some paint which needs to be stirred first, you can take a pencil, fit it into your drill chuck, then tighten a zip tie to the end, like this. Size it up against the paint can, and cut off any excess. Then put it down into the can, and use it to stir your paint. If you've got some electrical wires which you want to neatly twist together to keep them tidy, you can clamp the ends into a binder clip and hook it to something solid. Take the other end of the wires and put them into a drill chuck like this. Pull them straight, then start turning the drill. Pretty cool, huh? It works really well and really quickly, and as the wires twist, it does make the overall length shorter. When you're done, remove them from the chuck and from the binder clip. If you want to, you can strip the ends. And they're ready to use. These are going to be for my speakers. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.